Today I want to talk about remortgaging. It's something that we do here on a daily basis, and I think it's something that is very important to anybody that's got a mortgage. Remortgage is quite simply moving your mortgage from one mortgage lender to another lender. The reasons that you would look to do this, mainly two reasons. One is to get a better rate of interest and therefore save on your monthly mortgage payments. And the second reason would be to borrow additional funds. These funds could be used to either consolidate existing debt that you may have, could be used for home improvements, or could in fact be used to purchase a second property as a buy-to-let. Most lenders will comfortably go up to 75% of the value of the property. However, some lenders, like NatWest, will actually go up to 90% of the value of the property. So when it comes to looking at remortgaging, it's very important that you do speak to a reputable mortgage broker so that they can assess the whole of the market to find out which lender is going to be best for yourselves. Most people, when they do a mortgage, they're on a fixed rate for 2 years or sometimes even for 5 years. At the end of that 2-year period or at the end of the 5-year period, they should be looking about 3 months before the fixed rate comes to an end so that we can get a new mortgage in place ready for when their current mortgage comes to an end. The new mortgage is ready to go. I had a lady in here just a few days ago. Her current mortgage was with Santander. Now, her mortgage had come off the fixed rate and gone on to their standard variable rate, and she'd been paying standard variable rate for quite a number of years, and their standard variable rate at the time was 4.79%. Now, if we look at her mortgage, she had a £150,000 mortgage, and if we just take just the interest part of that mortgage, so not the capital part but just the interest part of it, her monthly interest payments were working out at £598 a month. When we sat down with her, we went through the various different options. We came up with Nationwide. Nationwide fitted her circumstances perfectly, and we were able to get her an interest rate of 1.88%, which was a 2-year fixed rate. Now again, just working at the interest payments, her interest payments came down to £230 a month. So that's a massive £368 a month saving, or if you look at it over 2 years, over £8,800 is what she saved over the next 2 years. When it comes to actually applying for the mortgage and getting the mortgage in place, you're probably talking of between 4 and 6 weeks. The process is very simple. We do an agreement in principle, we get the mortgage agreed, we submit a full application to the mortgage lender. Yes, you will have to prove income and identification and proof of residency, but normally the mortgage offers come out within about 2 weeks. The lenders that we use will all offer free legals, so you normally have free legals, free valuation and no arrangement fee to pay. So the mortgage lender will instruct their solicitors to act for you. The solicitors will send you a questionnaire which you complete and send back. On that questionnaire we tell them when you want to complete the remortgage, and then the solicitors will look to complete that mortgage just after your current deal comes to an end. To find out whether or not we can save you money generally takes about 10 minutes. The process is very, very simple. It's just a question of gathering a little bit of information from yourselves. We just need to know who your current mortgage is with, how much you've got outstanding, a valuation, a rough valuation on what you think the property is actually worth, and also your income details. Now on this, we can carry out a review and we can then work out how much money we can save you. There's various ways of contacting us. One is obviously by coming into the office here in Kettering and having a face-to-face appointment. We can, however, do appointments over the phone or via Skype. Just taking 10 minutes out of your day and giving us a call could save you hundreds of pounds per month on your mortgage payments.